Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. I wanted to go over it again. I did an update yesterday, and since then, I mean, what we talked about yesterday to dive right into the analysis. But I hope you had a good week, first of all. I think most of you in crypto did, but I mean, we did have a spike, so maybe if you're over leveraged, it was a little bit less. But what I said yesterday price was around 1.4, 1.45. I said, all right, main resistance level is 1.5 and 1.6. I think we're heading for that. I don't expect us to break through. And what did we do on the 4-hour time frame at least? The daily time frame closed lower, so most of this was actually earlier during the night. But we actually did break it, all right? The 5 Fibonacci extension level plus 1.5 is obviously a big psychological level. It broke, which on its own is absolutely bullish. What we see right now, and it's, I mean, the thing is that the markets right now are very over leveraged, right? So the funding rates are very high. So what we'll see, like we also saw with the spike right here, is we will see those spikes, all right? We will have some bigger flushes. That's just the truth. However, at this moment, it still looks very bullish. I mean, Bitcoin still looks bullish right here technically, but it's also gaining more and more open interest. And then apart from that, Fetch looks absolutely amazing. I mean, something like this can also not continue forever. However, if you look at it right now, those over leveraged markets, what happens is that a lot of the money also flows to parts of crypto that whales and big traders know can actually move very quickly and a lot, and that have some narrative potential as well, and that's AI, all right? And Fetch has absolutely placed itself as the alpha of AI, all right? And what I mean with that is that Fetch will probably in the future, or Ajax, but I think Fetch, will probably be the best mover in AI, all right? There will be some small cap coins outperforming it, but in terms of market cap and performance, it will be Fetch. So what we're seeing right now is a lot of money and capital inflow into AI coins, and Fetch is the alpha, so it's very bullish. But like I said, I mean, even though we're up a lot already, we just had a major bullish breakout technically, and the open interest is still increasing, all right? And that actually matters a lot. Like more and more money is flowing into Fetch. It's also getting more and more over leveraged, I would say, even after that small spike we had the 28th. But a lot of it is actually spot buying. So I see no reason why Fetch would not continue up here. Now, what would be ideal is if on the daily time frame we can actually get a close above 1.5 and 1.6. If that happens, I think it's confirmed that we'll rally up higher towards, well, 1.75 would be the first psychological level, but 1.95 and $2 is the obvious major price target. So I do think with the occasional spikes in between, I do think it's most likely we'll head up there. All right, Fetch in the end, I mean, if you compare it with some other major cryptos, and I think the light behind me is very annoying right now, but we'll have to work with that. If you compare Fetch with some other major cryptos, it's only at a $1.4 billion market cap. Like there's still room to grow there as well. So yeah, very bullish on Fetch. If for some reason we get a big spike down with Bitcoin, and this is something you must know, but if for some reason we get a big spike down with Bitcoin and Fetch drops down below 1.55, which would also cause the daily time frame to not close above 1.6, then we could be in for a bit of a pullback. That's a possibility. It's realistic. I don't think it's most likely right now. But those are my thoughts, and that's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, have a great weekend in advance, and bye.